Moondev AI. Moondev. All right, so I think you have everything you need. Let me know if you have any questions, and then go ahead and get started. API error. What the hell? I've already created a new GitHub repo that is copying over Luxy AI, and we're going to upgrade it with some other dashboard stuff. So what I would need you to do is still recommend me how to keep this Luxy how it is, and then go ahead and push the new GitHub to Vercel. And if I needed a server, how would I do that? I usually use Cherry Server's Ubuntu's. That's pretty easy for me to set up a screen on. And yeah, how do I connect that to Vercel so I can have processes? Because this new dashboard that I'm merging into this, you can actually see it here. I'll send it to you. But it has data that I need to store that I can serve for people, like backtests, etc. But you can look into it here. This is the dashboard. All right, let's get it, dude. Okay, did she just start? Okay, so perfect, Moondev. I'm going to build a professional, beautiful, integrated dashboard that combines the best of both worlds. Let me break it down. What I'm going to do, I'm going to create a new repo structure. Okay, you got it. Moondev 2026. Merge Luxy AI front end plus backtest dashboard backend. Copy RBI agent plus web search agent plus dependencies. Copy backtest data folder structure. Set up .env properly on git ignore won't expose. Redesign the UI. Modern, professional, beautiful brand as Moondev dashboard. Let's get it, dude. Let's get it. Okay, so she's copying over env files. She put the .env example here. Moondev env has been brought over. Okay, let's go to that dashboard here. Let's go say backtest dashboard copy path. Okay, so here you go, shorty. Let's get it. Nesting. Let's nest then. Let's nest then, dude. Let's nest. Come on. Lock in, bro. Lock in. 777. It's the time. It's the time, dude. It's the time. The best time to be alive. Welcome, welcome, welcome. We got two AIs going. No worries. No worries, dude. No worries. Two AIs. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Okay, I also have something I need to update on this. I want to ignore any crazy returns like this. It's not real, dude. That's not real. That's overfit. So I want to automatically remove any overfit returns. Yes. Overfit or something. We got some liquidations coming through today. Okay, so you can see here. Let's read what she said. All right, Moondev, I got the full picture now. This is the dashboard. It is in Fast API with backtesting, data portal, live liquidation, streaming, etc. Let me break down exactly how to set up on moondev.com. While keeping Luxy AI untouched, game plan, 2 sites run independently. Keep Luxy AI unchanged, easy. To keep your current Luxy AI site running exactly as is, in your Luxy AI dash, git stash. This stashes your uncommitted changes functionality of the video functionality that I added the other day. Now your working directory is clean and matches what's deployed. The video features are safely stored in the stash if you ever need them. Setup for moondev.com. You mentioned you already created a new GitHub. Here's the full Archie. Front end, back end. Connections, Next.js, app on Vercel, moondev.com, back end, fast API dash. Okay, Ubuntu, nice. Connection, front end makes API calls to back end via api.moondev. Deploy the Next.js to Vercel. Push to GitHub. Deploy to Vercel. You can do this via CLI or web. Okay, this looks all doable. During Vercel setup, set root directory if needed. Add environment variables, OpenAI key, etc. Set backend server, fast API dashboard. SSH into your server. SSH your server, okay. Install dependencies. Sudo apt update. Sudo apt install, okay. Okay, this is all simple. Install requirements, test it works, okay. Create a system device service. More reliable than Screen. Create service file. Install. Start this service. Check status, view logs. Enable it, add SSL, okay. DNS, yes, this is super easy, dude. It's a lot, but it's easy. It's easy. I'll get it done right now. Watch it. Summary, what you end up with. Okay, unchanged. Let's go ahead and stash it then. Would you like me to help with any specific part, like setting up the Nginx or something like that? No. I think you're good, bro. I did have a question for you. I did have one question. Keep Luxy AI unchanged. Okay, so we're going to have to stash it. That's the one thing we'll need to do. But let me stash it after it's done copying it over. Let me stash after it's done copying it over. Let's get it. Let's get it, dude. Let's get it. Let's get it all day. Come on, lock in with me. Let's do it. Dun, 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 dun. Oh, that's a good idea. Wait. Can I do that? All right, so when I'm building this, my one challenge is that I do this on stream. So I don't think it's very safe to show my IP address, right? For the Cherry servers. So that's the tricky thing is when I'm using Visual Studio Code, it shows the IP in the top and the bottom. Is there a way around this? Can I work directly from the terminal, or well, that would probably show the IP as well? Is it necessary to conceal that IP of the Cherry server? I think so. Right? But you tell me. I use Cloudflare for the moondev.com, so maybe that helps a little bit. But again, this is out of my territory, so I need you to go ahead and tell me step by step. Thanks. Please do tell me everything. I'm doing good as well, Mariano. Thank you, dude. 777. One Hood. What's up, bro? One Hood. That was good, wasn't it? You like the little egg. You finally ate. I had to put egg in her Cocoa Puffs in order for her to eat. She wasn't eating. I had to put egg in there. She ate though. All right, look, she's going hard for me. This is amazing. I love AI. I'm just astonished every single day. Every single day. Let's see if there's any questions here on the Twitter. Nothing, dude. Nothing. All right. No questions in the chat. No questions in the Twitter. And that's fine with me. Let's get it, dude. You're ready to go. Let's get it. Okay. Let's see what she said. Yes, you absolutely need to conceal your Cherry server IP. Here's why and how to do it safely. Why hide? DDoS attacks, automated bots, brute force SSH logins, targeted attacks for your specific server. Good news, Cloudflare solves this. Since you're using Cloudflare for moondev.com, you can completely hide your server IP from the public. Here's how. Cloudflare proxy setup critical. In your Cloudflare DNS, go to API, connect your server IP, proxy status, proxy. When the API, so name API.yourserver. When the orange cloud is enabled, public only sees the Cloudflare's IP. Cloudflare acts as a shield, DDoS, SSL. Okay, test it.